Okay. I'm going to walk through how to close caption your classes, and I cannot stress how impactful this can be for some students. I had a conversation with one of my students just today about how helpful he found it. I'll get into that in a second, but just do it. Do this. It's easy. I'm going to show you two different ways. One is even easier than you think. The research says that it's good. It's great for people learning a language. It's great for people that have hearing disabilities. It is great for students that have attention deficit disorders. It's great for all students. That's why you need to do it. And it is so easy, especially if you're using slide presentations via Google. Most of us are. I'm going to hit escape. You can see it's captioning here at the bottom. I hit escape here. Here's how easy it is, right? I'm going to walk you through what it looks like if you're using slides, right? So you go to any slideshow, right? You present. When you're presenting, let me just get my recording toolbar out of the way. Down here, these three dots, open up the options, go to caption preferences. Oops. Caption preferences, toggle captions, English only. This will only do English captions, and it takes it a second to catch what you're saying. Boom. It's that easy. Now, if you don't use slides, it's just like the email I sent the other day, right? I hold the control button, I hold the Windows button, and I hit L. And when I do that, I get another pop-up. Boom, right here, getting ready to show live captions. And there are a bunch of different settings here. You can actually caption multiple languages, right? So if I teach a Spanish class and I want Spanish to appear, I tested it, it works. Um, I would highly recommend that. But for this one to work, you actually have to make sure you include the microphone audio. If you don't have the microphone audio on, it won't work. So this one takes a little bit longer because it's using Copilot on your computer to do the captions. And actually, this one I think is a little bit better. You can actually still use it with Google Slideshow presentations, and you can move it around above the screen, below the screen, on top of the screen. I've had a few issues with this and dual screens, so just kind of note if you're using slides is the easiest thing to do. Our students will appreciate it. Let me tell you a quick story about why you need to do this. I have a student in class. I've been doing this for a week, and I asked him. He happened to stay after, and I said, "Hey, do you find this helpful?" He said, "Mr. Town, this is so helpful. I wish all of my students would do this. It makes it so much easier for me to understand what people are saying. Sometimes my teachers talk too fast. I think maybe he was saying I talk too fast, and this helped him. So please, if you have ML students, at a minimum, you should be doing this. And there's no reason to not caption your class. You may need a microphone if you move around and talk. I think that's something that we could probably finagle. So give it a shot, give it a try. If you have a question, please reach out and we can help.